Swadikap. Okay, right after I make the clip in Thai language on section 537, I would also like to make it in English. So to satisfy my friends who are foreigners that would like and would be interested to hear about the Thai law on the civil and commercial code. So I would like to talk about to rent a property today. So according to section 537 on the Civil and Commercial Code, and it said that a hire of property is a contract whereby a person called the letter agrees to let another person called the hirer to have the use or benefit of a property or for a period of time, and the hirer agrees to pay rent therefore. So basically, the main concept of this section is talking about the hire of property, especially the property that we're talking about, the immovable property or a real estate property. Like it could be a land or a house that most of you guys are doing in Koh Samui or even in Pattaya or Thailand wide. The main concept of hire of a property, you must have a 4 parts to complete 100% of a contract. So let's have a look again on section 537 right here. So the main concept, like I said earlier, it's talking about the hire of property. So the first one that you need to have is the contract must have 2 parties. So the 2 parties on this section is, the first party is what we call the letter, and then the second party, another one is we call the hirer. So the contract has, is filled to be 100%, so you cannot lack of this first section here. The contract must have 2 parties. Also the second one talking about the letter. The letter agrees to let the hirer to have what? To have the use, number 1, and number 2 is to have the benefit of that property that you are renting or being rent. So you need to have this one. The third clause talking about the hirer. The hirer agrees to pay rent. Of course, when someone give you a property to rent, then in return the hirer must give rent according to agreements in the contract, whether you guys agree to hire for 1,000 per month, 10,000 or 100,000 per month, depending on your contract today. Also number 4, the contract must state the time length. So to make it complete 100%, you must say that what is a definite time, or definitely you must have a time to put on the statement in the contract or on the agreements that you both agree to make this contract complete 100%, or else later on if you guys need to sue one or another, you don't have any problem to sue each other if something wrong during the agreement in the contract. That's what I would like to tell you. And basically section 537 is the heart of this section, so we must remember, and we also have to make sure that both party doesn't have any of the party that take advantage of another party. So I want to make sure that both party are equal. That's the most important of being a lawyer or a judge in the future for myself. So I probably can give you consultations after I graduate here and then I go back to Koh Samui. So, but I have some more sections to come, so I want to stop for this section for now. 537. We'll see you guys on the next clip.